Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair from Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a double-sided pole pocket banner. So first off, this is customer supplied artwork, and the finished size is going to be 30 inches wide by 84 inches tall, and it's going to have a pole pocket on the top and bottom, which is going to accommodate a 1-inch pole. So I'm already aware that in order to create the pole pocket, we're going to have to add 3 inches to the top and bottom. But before that, what I want to do is I want to just go ahead and check where the fold is actually going to fall. So that is going to be 6 inches down for this particular size. And what we're checking right now is to make sure that the fold isn't going to cover up any important information. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and draw a guide out to 6 inches there. And then we're going to take this 6-inch shape, bring it down to the bottom, and just go ahead and throw another guide down. What is also going to help finishing is if we go ahead and draw a 1-point stroke, and we can just make that black. The point of this is going to be, why did that not turn black? So when he goes to trim out the banner and he folds it over, he's going to line the banner up directly on that line. And so what we'll do is we'll copy that. We'll come down here. Whoops. Come down here, and we'll go ahead and do a Control-V to paste that in. We'll just drag that line over that guide. There, so now we've got that. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to do a Shift-O for our artboards, and we're going to add the 3 inches to the top and bottom. So that's going to put us at 30 by 90. And what we're going to want to do here is we're going to go ahead and make a rectangle that's 30 by 90. And this is going to be the trim size. So when this comes off the printer, finishing's going to know where to trim the banner by just cutting on these guides. So go ahead and we'll just extend the color up that, and we'll go ahead and do the same on the bottom. We'll just pull those down. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to do a Shift-O again, and we're just going to add our regular bleed, which is going to be 1 inch. So this will become 32 by 92. And again, we're just going to go ahead and, oops, actually, we have to use direct select. We're just going to go ahead and extend all the color out. So that way if finishing misses while they're trimming this thing out, there won't be any white showing. So go ahead and just bring all the bleed out. Like so. Okay, now you'll see that we've got our fold line, we've got our trim line, and we've got a bleed. Except, we'll go ahead and we will ungroup this, and we'll allow this to go outside of the bleed. All right, so that's going to be our small side, which has the markings. And next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a Shift-O, and we're going to duplicate our artboard and drag it out. And this is going to be our large size. So for the large size, we're going to remove the lines for the folding, and we're also going to remove our trim line. That way these are going to print back to back, and as I said, he's going to cut around the outside and fold down to these marks here. Now all you need to do is come in and rename your artboards. And so I've already set one of these up for a different design, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. The large one is going to be artboard 2. I'm going to change this to product 2. It's print ready. So we're just going to copy that and rename our artboard 1. Except what we're going to do is go in here, and where it says LG, which stands for large, we're going to make that small. So now, oops, yeah, we've got product 2, which is correct. Small size is number 1, large size is number 2. And once you have that set up, all you need to do is do a Alt Control E, and we're gonna go ahead and export these to, let me make sure we're in the correct folder here, which we were not, so we'll go to the correct folder and put it in the print files. Select, export, and that is how you set up a double-sided pole pocket banner on top and bottom. Thanks for watching.